Hey guys, it's Michelle with Adventure Mentality, and today we are at the City Museum in downtown St. Louis, and we're gonna have a lot of fun today. So let's go ahead and get started. The City Museum is not just your normal walk-through museum. It is a 10-story, 600,000 square foot former shoe company warehouse. It was bought by artists Bob and Gail Casilli in the early 90s, and they started to transform it into what they called a city within a city. So they gathered up a bunch of sculptors, welders, and painters, and they began their work to transform the inside of this old warehouse into what we know today as the City Museum. There's also a lot of history. The dome structure on the rooftop was acquired during a remodel of the St. Louis Science Center. They have an 1870s era vault door from the First National Bank of St. Louis. They have an old Ferris wheel that was left by a traveling circus, and a 1925 Wurlitzer organ that was originally in the Rivoli Theater in New York. There are so many ways to experience the City Museum, so in this video I'm going to focus on the 6 ways you can get around. Here, you wanna go? You wanna go in there? Whoa, cool. You want to go down here where the kids are? Come on, kids. Down here. The first and most basic way to get around the museum is just by walking. Or running, if you choose to do so. Even if you're just walking around the museum, you're still going to see a lot of neat things. You going to go in there? Get your leg in there. Cool. Hold on. Cool. Upstairs to outside. Whew. Craziness, Nadia. That's crazy. Teetee's going so crazy, huh?
Alright, Ashley, you want help?
Asher, go with Kira. Or go with Adam. Yay! Yeah, there's a hole there. The second way to get around the museum is by swinging. While there aren't a lot of areas that offer this type of movement, you can find some if you're looking for it. Woo! Good job, Sydney. If you're lucky enough to go during a time when the rooftop is open, you can ride their vintage Ferris wheel. The views around the city are beautiful. Alright, let mommy sit in here. We're at the very top. Everybody say cheese, Levi, look. Say cheese, hi. Hi. See everywhere. Look at all the stuff we can see. We can barely see the arch back there. The next way to get around the museum is by crawling.
See you. Look here. Hi.
Hi.
I see you down there. All right. Oh, you have the army crawl. Careful. Careful.
We're going in a tunnel to go see some saltwater fish in this saltwater tank. We're going in this hole. It's a little dark. Ouch. That's not anything. Here, there's some light coming up. Oh, yeah. That's creepy. Alright, there's a mermaid right here. And it's butt cheeks. They make the butt cheeks too clear. But there's some fish. Let's go. Let's move it. Move it. There's some more fish. There's some fish. Alright, let's go. We're moving. There's a giant, enormous clam. There's more fish.
There are so many different little tunnels and passageways that you actually have to crawl through in order to get to the other side. They have built an entire cavern system that covers multiple floors as part of the interior of the museum, and it is just fascinating.
That one's tight. Let's
No, other than that one. What about that one? That one's way too big. Look at that. You do it.
We'll go down this way, Asher. Asher, go for Riley. You want to go back that way?
I'm going this way.
Look at this. Hey, Asher.
There's lots of tight crawl-through spaces in this building. It's like caves. They're just like tons of slots that's like, I couldn't fit through a lot of them. The kids are barely fitting through them. Whew. But yeah, it's pretty crazy.
You don't have to.
I don't want to go down this way.
Okay, we'll come this way. Hey! There's Riley and Adam. What's Adam?
Yep. You jump. You jump. With the baby and everything.
Taking a snack break. Thank you. There's a reason most people will compare this to a giant playground. It's because there is so much climbing involved in certain areas of the museum. It's a dome, and so now Riley is like literally hanging from the top. There's Levi. That's so crazy. All right, you guys, look here and wave. A lot of the outside areas are going to have different things that you can climb on. You climb up to go down slides. You climb up to go through tunnels. So whether you're climbing a ladder or climbing on a metal structure or even climbing stairs, you're definitely going to be doing some climbing while you are here.
Follow Levi. You gonna get up there? We're on top. All right. So fun. Come on. Yeah.
I'll do it earlier so it won't break. I promise.
Let's go get her. You go get her? Hold on, bub. Axel, watch out.
You did it! Hey, keep on going.
Who's that?
Get down. There you go. These are tight. Really tight.
Yay! Starting to burn. Oh my gosh, Adam! You came out so fast. I was like,
The last way you'll actually get some movement around the museum is by sliding. There are so many slides in the museum. There are slides inside and slides outside. There are really long slides and there are some short slides. There are straight slides, twirly slides, wavy slides. Really anything you could imagine you will find at the City Museum.
Yay! Really? Oh my gosh.
Turn around.
Come on. Good job. Was that so fast?
Yeah, that was good.
Lay down. Oh my gosh, this is fun. Woohoo!
I like pushing on my back so I wake up so hard. Okay, go back.
You can do
Lean back, lean back.
Yeah, just lean back and then let go.
Woohoo! That's right. Look at you.
Cool. Woo! Axel! Move! Woo! Yes. That sounded nice. Okay. Whoa! You get going so fast! Yay! Oh, so we're going up to go down a 10-story slide. We're up this far. Now we gotta go back up that way. There's Levi. Miss Levi. Slide. It was lots of fun. Now I gotta find everybody else. And last but certainly not least, I couldn't fail to mention that you can move around the museum just by using your imagination.
Find a different way.
Oh, go drive the plane.
Steps down. Asher?
Yeah, let's take 2 steps.
Go up here.
Go drive the plane.
Really hard.
Asher, look here. Asher and Axel, look here. Asher, come here, look here. Asher. Nope.
So much to do up here.
Oh yeah, there's so many buttons in there. Oh, you can even put these. You want to control that?
There are so many cool aspects to this place, so many little details, so much fun to be had by kids of all ages, and it's definitely worth making the trip to visit just so you can go on this amazing adventure. So the bus is hanging over the edge. You want to go on the bus, Asher? Take your mask off and put it on your wrist. Here, let's go. Mommy's going. Mommy's coming with you. Oh my gosh. Oh. You are out over nothing. He's driving the bus.
Can you pull the door?
Axel,
Pull
look
it.
at mommy. Ooh.
Going down. Open, shut. Adam's time. It's a long day.
All those tiny holes.
It's a good day. We're all exhausted. Definitely recommend going to the City Museum in St. Louis. It's fun for literally everyone. Like from a 2-year-old all the way to a 37-year-old.
We had a good range.
We had a good range. Everybody had a good time. So, some good.